I hear a truck. Yes! Handrail has arrived. Steel, big, beautiful, heavy handrails. And we're gonna get dumped on, so let's get this thing in. We've got a 20-foot section of handrail that probably weighs 300 pounds. Are you just supervising, or what's going on here?
I took your job. You didn't get on it.
Right there. Let's flip it right side up. And just tie half of the rope here, the other half there. We'll get 2 guys on each end and just take it. Yeah. 2 things here, guys. We got the fish tank and we got that flooring, both of which are irreplaceable. Okay, watch your foot. And this thing weighs 300 pounds, so please be careful. 1, 2, 3. We're too far over. One of you is gonna have to come over and push it out. Okay. Ooh, ooh. It is ridiculously heavy. Let's go. This is the most stressed I've been on this house. Do not let it fall in that tank. Hold on, let me get hold on. Okay. All right. Whew. Oh, God. Woo! We got it up. The hardest one is done. And we got a handrail.
Careful. Woo! It's muddy.
Ooh. This is a hike down
Are
here.
you glad you grabbed that extra board, man?
Yeah. Whoa.
Ah, that hurt.
Over here. Did Dave fall? You
Hey.
okay? Are you
No, the board fell on my head.
Oh gosh, are you
Really?
okay?
Oh, you did fall. Look, he's got a little green grass
He's like,
stains
what's
out.
up? Did you twist your ankle?
A little bit. I drove up a side of a mountain in the Ape, and then I fall coming down here.
Okay, so here we're gonna build into that wall, use the stone.
Qui? No, perché a questo punto, siccome di pali ce n'è 2, o si piglia dei paletti di castagno che c'hanno lì, poi...
Any idea what they're saying?
I think they're saying, why are these Americans wanting a building on the side of a 45-degree slope?
We know what we're doing, and we do this all the time back home, but it feels like here we're doing it with 100 obstacles in our way, with the permits, the language barrier, and of course, how our schedule was already shortened by 3 months, and it's making it really stressful and really hard.
Jenny, now how does it look from down there? And be
Be
honest.
careful, too.
We need more lumber.
It's gonna take
not
it's gonna
enough.
take 30 trips up and down the mountain.
This is a good start.
Is it?
No, I'm actually really
I mean,
nervous now.
it's slippery, it's wet. Like, I think we
Yeah.
get the location.
Yeah.
We verify that Pierre and Rebecca want it here, and then we can move forward. What are you doing? Getting her cut away? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna come up there real quick. All right. Go over the plan with you. Okay. You wanna go up there?
No, God, no.
I wouldn't think you would.
I'm afraid of heights because I decided to jump out of an airplane one time with a parachute on, and my parachute ripped. I am tandem with this guy. I don't know who he is. He said, and he's real quiet. I'm like, what's the matter? And I will never forget these words.
Babe, this isn't a 3-hour show.
No, you know the words. There's a slight problem with the parachute. You can't, there's no such thing.
Come on, come up there with me. It's safe up there.
I'm good.
Come on, just real quick.
Are you joking? I'm not going up there.
End of story. They didn't have to deploy any backup parachute. They landed on the ground fine.
Carefully, remember?
There was a small amount of crying.
You know what I don't like about this turret? I mean, you just take one wrong move, which I do a lot, and you just fall over. I mean,
Wrong
you trip
moves.
and you're dead.
And it's weird
Oh my
because
gosh,
it's
stop,
bouncing.
Dad, stop. Don't do that.
She's okay. Like,
fine.
She didn't break anything.
It was a good lesson, though.
It's okay.
To
We're good.
stay on the ground.
Come on, chill up here with me. This staircase was more built for you than it was for
can't
me.
even fit up the staircase. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Why are you making me do this?
Come here.
Why am I agreeing to this? Dave, look at this. Seriously, though, it's not connected. It's not, you're not supposed to. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my Lord have mercy. Get away from the edge, babe. Think of the kids. What are you doing?
I'm gonna cut this out, so I'll hand this section to you. You wanna get a light?
No.
Pliers anyway.
Oh gosh, okay. Careful. Oh my gosh, it's stressful.
I gotta jump on the other side here real quick.
No, stop, don't, seriously, just be careful.
Yeah, that's where it's holding on.
Oh my gosh, bye. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. How'd I get in here? Oh my gosh. I never used to be afraid of heights, but my mom always was like, get away from the railing, kids. Ah. Just like that, right? That's my mom.
Just like you were today.
Just like I am. Now, I am my mother. Good luck, please be careful.
All right, I love you.
Oh, mercy.
Just getting rid of that prison-like iron is really bringing the Craddock house into the 21st century. And when it's done, it'll be completely transformed.
We've got a nice opening. A little more welcoming than it was.
I'd say.
And I don't know that I'll be getting back out on that balcony anytime soon, but at least I'll be on solid ground with the new second-story floor that we've added to the turret.
Get that thing nailed down. All right, last nail.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Wait. What did you just do? Chase, it's all broken. Oh.
So this was really put together really well. They's cracked like old clay.
Chase.
Did you break up like 3 tiles?
Yeah, he broke this whole
1, 2,
section.
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. So now we gotta figure out a way to fix this.
More tile.
Dad, you're old. Where would you find old clay tile like this? No?
All right, guys, let's just keep going and we'll figure it out. We know we're gonna have to patch a little bit of this tile once we pull out the dumbwaiter. So we have raw terracotta tile coming in, and we have some ideas on how we'll be able to match the aged look of the current tile. And we can hide it to a degree with the island, but I'm really worried that if we tear out too many more tiles, the new ones won't blend with these old ones. How are we going to distress this and make it match 50-year-old naturally patinaed tile
Let's go look at them. I was thinking we either let the kids run around on it all day
for 50 years?
and then just tell them that it's coming. It'll be there.
Just wait for it. Wait for it.
Look at that.
See all the different colors, the shading? How are we gonna do that? That was your sweat.
Look at that. I'm already conditioning this tile.
Oh my.
That one already looks closer to that. All right, I got an idea.
Okay.
Bear with me. I'll be right back. Don't you worry, Mrs. Mars. I'm on it.
This tile is keeping me up at night because if we're not able to make this tile match, we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board, make a whole new island in order to cover this hole in the floor, which I really don't wanna do because it would be so awkward with this giant island in that space. So, yeah, it's a little stressful.
Here's what's not stressful.
What do you got?
You're asking a guy to make something dirtier.
No, that's not. I didn't ask you to make it dirtier. That's not at all what I asked, babe. I asked you to change the patina of a terracotta tile.
You ready for the magic to happen?
I'll let you just carry this through. Glad we ordered extra.
Jenny, there's no way I'm gonna mess this up.
It's gonna be a while. You're still dripping your sweat.
Jenny, that's part of it. That's part of the mixture.
Process.
We're gonna have to let this sit for a little while because this isn't oil.
What kind of oil is that, babe?
Automatic transmission fluid. It's got a beautiful red color to it. Use it to oil my nail guns before I start working. Oh yeah, that looks good. Let's give it a couple days to dry, and then I bet we will have a perfectly aged tile. It's gonna look great. It's done.
Oh no. I gotta do some more research on this.
There he is. What's up?
How's it going?
It's good to see you, brother.
Yeah, good to see you.
How you
Good
been?
to see you. Good.
We've got to replace the roof on this house. We have got weather coming in. It's supposed to downpour in a few hours. We've got plywood over, but now we got to get it roofed so it doesn't leak. Luckily, Eric and his entire crew are here, and they are going to knock this thing out. Thank you for getting here.
Yeah.
I know we have a storm rolling in, so what can I help with?
Shingling, help us load some of this stuff up on the roof. And
Great.
All
Great.
hands on deck situation.
The decking actually looks like it's in decent shape.
This decking's in good shape. We will throw some new turtle vents in. That way the house will be able to breathe a lot better now.
All right, well, let's start throwing some shingles. Just set them next to you. We'll start stacking them up. I want to get this thing done so I can get the heck off this roof. We got to move fast. I want to get this thing done so I can get the heck off this roof. We got to move fast. So the guys are doing incredibly. They are getting this roof done really quickly. So glad that we've replaced it. We've got venting on the roof now, so we won't get any warping. It just needed to happen. I think we just beat it.
We did it. We beat it.
Brittany and Doug said they love to spend time outside as a family, but here we are in Arkansas, there's a lot of bugs. So a lot of the year, this deck, it's basically not really usable space. The idea out here is we're gonna expand this deck and we're gonna screen it in. So we have to get rid of this arbor and deck.
I have an idea. Let's just say we run a tow strap around each one of these, tied to my truck, going out into their yard.
What if we cut these 4x6s enough where when we did pull, it took them too?
Ooh, I like that even better.
All right.
On you, girl. We got faith in you.
But if I go too far, I'm gonna run right into that shed.
Yeah, don't run into the shed. You will look forward. We'll worry about back.
Oh my gosh. All right.
This is gonna be cool.
Hey, Jen.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, but be safe, okay?
All right.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous!
All right, this is the last time we're counting it.
I don't know if I can do it. My hands are sweating. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Perfect!
You can stop. You can stop.
Mama took over, and she crushed it.
I did.
Literally. It was awesome.
Is Demo Day now your favorite?
No, I like it. That was fun.
Good job.
Usually I'm the one doing
Stupid things.
the crazy, stupid things. And I'm okay if something happens to me, but not my wife. Like, she has to take care of the kids. And I love her so much. Is this the second time today I put my foot in my mouth?
That was awesome. You even threw some of them in the dumpster.
I know, I did that on purpose.
Good job, babe. From the last time I was up there measuring it, if I recall right, all the blocking is right out towards the edge, so I want this here to be tight to that front edge.
Oh, now that we're looking at it, I hope it's the right size. Let's get it up there and see. Be careful, please. You guys are making me nervous. Oh gosh, you're making me very nervous.
There. I feel like my ladder's bowing a little bit more than yours.
I just don't like to watch. I'm gonna see it when it's done.
Did I tell you, along with snakes, I don't like heights either?
I have a lot of issues there, Chase.
I do.
I've done smarter things in my life.
I don't like this.
I love heights. I love them, I love them, I love them. How's that?
Great.
Rocking and rolling.
All right.
Oh, yeah. You like?
Awesome, yeah.
Good?
Really good. It's about the fireplace.
This fireplace, we have got a big problem. It's like so much bigger of a problem than I ever thought it would be. This fireplace, we first started, it was this big, and I thought it was just a steel insert, but the fireplace company says it's not. It supports everything above it. We never in a million years thought it would be this surrounded by the block, and then this block comes down that supports all this, that goes up the whole fireplace. So we can't put a brick lining in the opening and do a stove like we wanted.
All right, we've got to figure this out. The coconut hours will be here in just over a month.
You start ripping down stone by stone a chimney that goes up through 2 floors and the roof. It's a ton of time.
So now what can we do?
I know we could put another insert in there and do a wood burning style.
And then are we able to put the stone back?
I mean, we did break a few of them, so.
No, we need more stone then.
Well, what if we do an insert, and then I think that if we did a lighter stone and a lighter mortar, she would like it more.
Okay.
It'll be what they wanted. It just won't be the original plan that I was really excited for.
But the upside is that an insert is going to save us about $3,500 over a stove. So that'll really help with the $6,000 we had to spend for the termite damage. And we also have some stone left from another job, so that's gonna help.
All right, guys, let's keep going.